Alright friends, here's the latest batch. It was a smaller batch and I used lots of tumbled media. Used that whole entire bucket. Filled up the Ray 5, which is this guy if you're not familiar with it. I spent about 3 hours cleaning in between stages combined. I would say 70% as far as getting a nice polish on all the rocks that we were looking for. Some just did not come out, like this one was okay-ish, but pretty dull overall. This one had a lot of potential, wet, and didn't take much of a shine. This one, almost no shine at all. So, here you have it. Not sure, some of these are fragments, like this was from my friend Sue at the Rock Club. This was also a slab from her. This is a venturine. This, I'm pretty sure it was from Montana that I picked up. This was the one I was really excited about. If you watch my other videos, you've seen one similar to this. It was bigger. And you can see the giant hole in the back side of this, all the pitting. And this is kind of why I'm even filming this video, is you can take hard rocks that have challenges, and if you clean them really well in between stages, you can get decent results. Like this one too. This one came out pretty good. Lots of pitting. Even this one from my buddy Sue, you can see it's got a good shine, but there's tons of little holes in there and very porous. So when you run this through the ultrasonic cleaner, you see all kinds of stuff coming out from these holes, all the grit from each stage coming out in these holes. And this big boy, I was excited about this. This is from Custer, Montana. Look at that giant hole in there. Just a big old hole, lots of pits. It's not the best shine, but it came out pretty good compared to the last couple batches where I wasn't having a thorough cleaning. So you can do challenging rocks. You don't have to wait till they're perfectly round and smooth. This was probably 3 or 4 weeks in stage 1 and a rotary tumbler. But overall, I'm really happy with the results. Just taking that extra time to clean them, and feel like it wasn't a waste because I got a nice shine on some rocks that would be very challenging to do otherwise. And this is also from my buddy Sue. That one's got a great shine on it. This is neat. So I've tried, this is just granite, regular granite, and I've tried a few other pieces. Don't have a whole lot of shine. They kind of came out like this, honestly. With this one, it was the first one I was able to tumble and get a shine. Now it's a little bit porous. If you have granite countertops, you know what I mean. That's why you have to seal them. But this one actually, for granite, came out pretty good. So there you have it, friends. Like and subscribe for more great content. And I will continue to show you my process for doing advanced tricky rocks. These were all dry. My table is wet, but I moved all these over dry. This one I took out about 12 hours early just to test and see. And well, that's wet there, but it has an okay shine, but the rest of them came out pretty good. This one too. So keep watching, keep liking, keep following, keep subscribing. Tell your friends about this channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you.